If you or your loved one have been denied parole over and over again, it is not because you're hopeless. It's because no one ever taught you how to prepare the right way. The parole board isn't guessing. They're looking for specific signs of readiness, and without those, even good people get denied. My name is Coach D. I'm the founder of the Ready Academy, and I help long-term inmates and their support teams become parole board ready with confidence, even before the board meets. So for years, I've watched men and women who should have been released get denied simply because their plan wasn't clear, their communication wasn't confident, or their growth wasn't fully demonstrated. The good news: there is a clear path to showing the board you are ready. I call it the 4 pillars of parole confidence. And when these pillars are strong, your chances of hearing yes increase dramatically. Pillar number 1, personal transformation. This is where the board looks for real change, insight, responsibility, emotional maturity, not excuses, not shame. They want to know who you are now. When transformation is clear, they start to believe release is possible. You've got to believe it too. Credibility documentation. Okay. Paperwork matters. Paperwork matters going in, paperwork matters coming out. Programs, certificates of completion, classes, letters, accomplishment, all great, but organized the right way. Scattered packet lowers confidence. Clear packets, professional packets, raises it. Proof of reentry readiness. Now, this is the part a lot of people get wrong. They do a little better. You need more than hope. Hope is good, but you need more than hope. You need housing. You need employment or a pathway to it. You need a support system that are real, not vague. I'll figure it out when I get home. Not that. But this organization offers these programs with these methods that lead me on the pathway toward reintegration success. That when you prove stability, the board sees safety. That changes the game. Pillar number 4, communication mastery. The board is watching how you speak, how you think, how you respond under pressure. And believe me, presenting to the parole board is pressure. Okay. Confidence isn't arrogance, it's preparation. If you communicate your plan clearly and respectfully, your message lands stronger and your transformation becomes believable. When these 4 pillars come together, personal transformation, documentation, readiness proof, and communication, you don't walk into a hearing nervous and unprepared. You walk in calm, confident, and credible. That's what I teach. That's what changes the game. That changes the outcomes. So if you or someone you love is preparing for parole or has already faced multiple denials, don't go through this alone. Join us inside the Ready Academy community. This community and my coaching program, I built it to help inmates and their support teams become parole ready with confidence before the board even meets. So click the link in this description and join the community today. I look forward to seeing you on the inside of our Ready community.